So it's again a beautiful day, sun is shining bright in Ireland. Let's go see what this sound was all about. What's good, Hero babies? This is a sound I've been wanting to do for a while, but I had to first steal some of these. So here we go. I only have one, so if I screw up, there will not be a sound. That was it. Someone watching this, maybe you are the winner of this sound. We know that most of you are not getting it right. But don't worry, there's a new sound every time it gets guessed. So the next one might be you. Maybe next time I'm saying hi, it's actually you who guessed the sound correctly. So let's keep trying. Just as in life, it's all about keeping swimming. Comment and subscribe and get 4 lives.